Hello students, hope you all are fine well at your home, taking care of yourself and your family too. Students, today I am going to tell you about the business environment. Everyone is familiar with the word environment, the surroundings which are impacted. That we always used to say the climatical change, the surroundings that can be the internal as well as the external. But today we are going to talk about the business environment. So the business environment means to say that all the forces, the dimensions which are impacting the business, and that all the factors and the forces, we can say the factors and the forces which are impacting the business, that all are known as the business environmental factors, and that can be the internal as well as the external factors. There are always the dynamic. Why we used to say the word that they are dynamic? Because they always used to keep change. There is the continuous change in the forces, in the dimensions of the environment of the business. As our climate used to change day by day, we can say month by month, in the same sense and in the same manner, the environment of business that also used to change. Second thing is that what are the dimensions of the business environment? They are the political, economical, social and legal. Four dimensions are there. First of all, we will talk about the political factors, the political forces which used to impact the business. They are the policies which are being given by the government. Always the parties, the political parties, they used to change, and every political party comes with their own views and with their own policies, and because of these changes in the policies, there is also change in the business. Second thing is the economical environment. Economical, the all the changes, the forces which are related to the finance, the financial factors, that can be the inflation, deflations, if there are inflations, continuous inflations and continuous deflations, or there are changes in the GDP or GST, then also the business that will be at the on the screen of the changes. Next thing is the social environment. Social environment also used to impact the business. How the social environment used to impact the business? That there is the changes in the taste and preferences of the people. If there are changes in the preferences and the taste of the people, then they will skip from one product to another product. And people skipping from the product to product, that also used to impact the business. So we can say that these days there is a trend of the equal status of men and women. Now, due to which there is change in the business also, and on the other hand, there are lots of the trends, the customs, changes in the customs and the traditions that also impact the business. Last thing is the legal environment. Legal environment, the legal word which is just related to the court. The court judgments, the judgments being provided by the court, that also used to change the business. So these all are the factors which are changing the business, due to which there is requirement of change in the business also. If every business will change according to the needs and requirements of the environment, then only the business can survive in the market. That's all about today's topic. Hope you all have got it. See you in the next topic. Till then, take care.